Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing today? It's a new day. It's a fresh day. I hope you're up, shaking, and baking. Today, I want to talk to you about how to increase ticket sales for your next event using this tactic. Do you run an event? Are you a coach? Are you a speaker? Do you do training? Does your company do training? Are you having an event for your company anytime soon? These tactics will help you a lot. All right, so in 2023, all the events I did, they were all sold out. I do a 4 weeks sales cohort. I did 2 4 weeks sales cohorts, and I did 1 physical sales training. The 4 weeks sales cohort, the cohort 4, we had 100 paid participants. Cohort 6, we had 107 paid participants, all online. And then in cohort 5 was digital. Then I did a physical sales training in the city of Lagos. I had 120 paid participants in that class. I'm going to share a link with you where you can see, how that event went, images of that event and all that. So how do you increase your ticket sales for your next events? People struggle with these things a lot. And I discovered that if you follow some of these things, it'll help you. Number 1, be clear about the number of people you want to attend that event. I remember in sales cohort 4, I was in Dubai. I went to do sales training for a company called P1 Homes. And as I finished my training, I was pacing the floor praying and just being grateful to God for, giving me the opportunity to fly to another country to go and speak. And God gave me an idea for the sales cohorts. And then I remember writing it down. I said I wanted to have 55 paid participants in that training. Can you imagine? We doubled that. We got 100. So number 1 is you have to know exactly the number of people you want to attend the event. Then I even wrote it down. I actually drew pictures of the faces of the people that I wanted. Sort of like a vision board. Number 2, write down the names of the companies you are going to be inviting. So there are 2 ways to fill up an event hall. A, it can be bulk, and B, it can be singular. Let me explain. When it is bulk, right? A company can pay for all their staff to attend the event. That's bulk. I did that a lot. A lot of companies did that. But when it's singular, it's when one person sees it and then they sign up, they attend the program on their own. So that's another way. So I went to companies, I was making sales calls to companies, I was calling CEOs of companies to send their staff to the event. Another thing that I even did was that I also now said to myself that the kind of people that I want to attend my sales training, my sales course, where did they gather? So some of them, they meet at events and conferences. And I went to speak at one or 2 of those events for free, especially for P1 in Lagos. Yeah. And I got a few people, to sign up for my training or my class that way. So that's one way through which you can use. Another way through which you can use, to fill up your hall. Number 3, start selling or talking about your event early. I have another cohort coming up starting from the 12th of March. As of December 2022, I've already started talking about the event. I've already started pushing. People have started registering right now for my March program. The problem for a lot of people is that they don't start to talk about their product early. So you want to start to talk about your product early, about your event early. You don't talk about your event 1 month to the event. No, it's too late then. Start, publicizing the event early. Start pushing for it early. And you need to be repetitive about it. This is very, very important. David Ogilvy said that you do not advertise to a standing army. You are advertising to a moving parade. When you advertise your events, don't just do it once and expect people to come. You are not their priority. You are not their father. You're not their mother. They will not remember you. You have to talk about that event every single day. If you're running ads, make sure that ads run every day, because people don't get the message once. You know, I always use the story of Spotify a lot. I use Spotify Premium to listen to music and podcasts. I love Spotify. But while I was on the free plan, every day it would be pounding my ear, telling me to join the paid plan. Every day. Every day they will be telling me, join, every day. I mean, you see, Spotify is maybe over $20 billion in market capitalization. But they remind me every single day because they know that I won't get it once. They have to tell it to me again and again and again and again and again. So if you want people to attend your event, you have to talk about the event over and over and over and over and over again. Next, pick an influencer, all right, that you know is already doing business with the kind of people that you want to come for your event. I'll give you an example. There is a lady, her name is Nelly. She owns a big Instagram account called Niger Brown Chick. In one of my cohorts, right, I went to meet her. I paid her for her to interview me. And in the course of the interview, I asked people to sign up for my class. And that strategy really worked. I got the money back that I used to pay her. So you want to use that strategy as well, you know, to get people to attend your events. So I mean, if you use any of these strategies, they are going to work for you. You can even do discounts. If you know that a company or an organization wants to send a lot of their people for your event, you can give them a discount so that a lot more people come for the event that way. I think if you use, hey, if you're enjoying this, please click on the subscribe button. Yeah, smash the subscribe button underneath this so that more people can discover this channel if you're enjoying this. So thank you very much for showing up. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on all the other platforms where I share more content that will help your business and your life grow. God bless you. Do have a fantastic day. Let's go. Boom!